making maximum money from investment. So if you have some money, you put it into shares, like Google shares. Google's a made-up name. I'm sure you know which one I really mean. If you buy some shares with billions of dollars, even if you just buy with $1,000, what you hope is that over the years your shares will go up in value. The shares started off here in 1919. They'd increased by about 2020. The Google shares have got to their maximum price, and then they start falling. This happens because other companies come along and do the job better. The red line is the upslope, the positive gradient. Don't sell yet. 2019, don't sell. It's a positive gradient because it's going up. There's the gradient. Rise, divide by run. Rise over run. Gives you a positive number. Because the rise is positive. The black line is a downslope. Negative gradient. Too late! You're losing money! By 2021. You've been too late to sell your shares. This is a negative gradient. It's not really a rise. It's going down. This is rising up. Here the prices are going down. Make a right angle. Right angle there. Rise over run. Right angle there. Rise over run. Now the rise is negative. And rise over run. Because this is negative, rise over run is negative. It's a negative gradient. It's going down. The lilac line, can you see that's lilac? Yeah, the lilac line is flat. The gradient is 0. That's the time you sell your shares. This is why gradients are important. Gradient. Oops. A, D, oh dear. I-E-N-T. Gradient. Gradient is 0. That's the time to sell. So this is why we do the maths of gradients of lines. Banks pay mathematicians huge amounts of money to work out the equations to the lines like these. To lines like these. Like this. Oh, got to change that. And of course investment firms and rich people and everybody wants to know when is the time to sell the shares. The equation to this line is S, the share price, oh that's a dollar sign, share price equals minus x squared plus 4040x plus 10,000. X is the year. So the mathematicians work out what is the equation of this line. They do that to work out when's the time to sell your shares. So in 2020 the shares were worth minus x squared. Oh, there should be a minus there. Minus x squared minus 2020 squared plus 440x. 440 times 2020 in the year 2020 plus 10 million. The equation of the red, blue and green lines, the gradient lines, is 2x plus 4040. To get this, there should be a minus there. To get this, you take this x squared 2 times x. When you differentiate to get the gradient equation, the power times it by the front. Power in this case is 1. 1 times 40,040 is 40,040. Differentiate this part of the equation to get this part here. The number, which is called a constant, just disappears when you do differentiation. It doesn't help telling you when you've got maximum minimum. The red line going up in 2019. So we put 2019 into this equation. Minus 2x. Oh good, I got the minus in. Minus 2 times 2019 plus 40,040 equals plus 2. The gradient is plus 2. It's going up. Plus 2 means the shares are increasing in price. Don't sell yet. The green line, hold on. Okay, the green line is this one here. Nope. The green line is this one here. I've got to put the lines in. The red line. The green line is for 2020. So, minus 2. We're putting 2020 into this equation. The gradient equation. The differential equation. This is the equation of the line. This is the differential equation. It's been differentiated. Put in the x of 2020, the year, and you get a gradient of 0. That's why in 2020 the gradient of the line is 0. The line is flat. Gradient is 0, not positive, going up, not negative, coming down, just 0. 0 means the shares are at their maximum value. That's when you should sell. Gradient, the 0 gradient happens at a maximum or a minimum. In this case, it's a maximum. This 0 gradient, make it touch there. This 0 gradient is happening at a minimum. Minimum price, that's not when you want to be selling things. The blue line, so that's the downward gradient, is for 2021. Put in 2021 into our differential equation. We get minus 2. It's negative, it's going down. Too late, the shares are going down. Sell before they go down, otherwise you will lose money. Shares go up and down. The people who always make money are the mathematicians and the brokers, the people who sell the shares. The mathematicians who make the equations. These are called partial differential calculus equations. Part of the difference, that's the gradient, and they're calculating equations. This is why I teach my students differentiation. If you liked my video and you live in Hong Kong, here's my card. I'm a teacher in the international schools at the Australian International School, and I also tutor in the evenings to help people with their GCSE and IB maths. Okay, I made that a bit closer. Is that in focus? Cool. My email address is goodluckgaryhk@gmail.com. My Facebook is Enlighten Education Limited. That's my evening company. I'm Gary Stevens. Good.